Ever dreamed of photographing the ocean like a pro? In the Maldives, the underwater world is more colorful, more alive, and more magical than anywhere else on Earth. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to the Maldives, a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean, known for its crystal-clear waters and abundant marine life. We'll explore some of the best spots to photograph underwater in the Maldives, the essential gear you'll need, and the techniques you should use to capture stunning photos of the Maldives' underwater world. So let's dive right in. Why the Maldives? The Maldives is a dream destination for underwater photographers from around the world. With warm, clear waters and visibility that can reach up to 40 meters, you can capture the vibrant coral gardens, whale sharks, manta rays, sea turtles, and thousands of reef fish that call the Maldives home. Some top spots include Hanafaru Bay, known for its manta ray gatherings, Majestic, a picturesque dive site with a rich variety of marine life, and Banana Reef, one of the oldest and most popular dive sites in the Maldives. What gear do you need? If you're a beginner, a GoPro with a waterproof housing is a great place to start. But if you're serious about underwater photography, you may want to invest in a mirrorless or DSLR camera and a dedicated underwater housing. Don't forget red filters, which help to correct the blue tint of water, and a strobe to provide additional lighting at deeper depths. Always double-check the seals on your housing before diving to prevent water from leaking in. What photography techniques should you use? In the first 10 meters or so of water, natural light is usually strong enough to capture great photos. But below that, you'll need to use external lights to bring back color. To add depth to your images, get low and shoot upward. This will help to include light and the surface of the water in your shot. Focus on the eyes. Whether you're photographing a turtle or a clownfish, the eyes are the most important part of the photo. Make sure they're in focus and they will bring the photo to life. Be patient. Some of the best photos are the ones where you let the marine life come to you. Stay calm and don't make any fast movements that could scare away your subject. How can you respect the ocean? It's important to remember that when you're in the ocean, you're in the marine animal's home. Never touch the coral or any wildlife. Keep your fins and camera gear off the fragile coral. Be aware of protected zones like Hanafaru Bay, where flash photography is often prohibited. You can also help protect the ocean by picking up any trash you see and by supporting sustainable tourism initiatives. How can you edit your photos? Once you've taken your underwater photos, it's time to edit them. Use software like Lightroom or Snapseed to enhance the contrast, color balance, and sharpness of your images. Correct for any blue or green hues by adding warm tones. With a little editing, even the most basic shots can look stunning. Underwater photography in the Maldives is an unforgettable experience. From the vibrant colors of the coral reefs to the graceful movements of the manta rays, there's no shortage of beauty to capture in this tropical paradise. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a first-timer, the Maldives has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the underwater world of the Maldives. Which marine creature would you love to photograph? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel and photography guides. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.